Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Al Munir High School e-learning system. As you know, today is our science subject and we are going to do unit number 4 and the topic is matter from the book Amazing Science by Oxford. Okay, open your books. Unit number 4, matter. All things on the earth are made of matter. All things on the earth are made of matter. Come to the next page. Matter takes many shapes. You can see in this picture there are different things. All the things are made of matter and they are in different shapes. Some are in square shape, some are in oval shape like this, and some are in rectangular shape. So matter takes many shapes. Matter is of many colors. Matter is of many colors. You can see here all the things are in different colors, like the flower is in yellow color, the leaves are in green, the ball is in different colors, and a transparent bottle as well. Now come to the next page. Different types of matter feel different. Different types of matter feel different. You can see some things are smooth when we touch them, some things are rough, some are soft, and some are hard. When we touch these things, we feel some things are hard, some are soft, some are rough like this stone, and some are smooth like this paper. Now, matter changes. Matter changes their state by heating and cooling. So now look this picture. Ice changes to water. Ice changes to water, and wax melts into liquid wax by heating. And water changes into water vapor by heating. Okay, now come to the next page. In the next page we are going to read about the kinds of matter. About the kinds of matter. Matter can be solid, liquid, or gas. Solid. A solid is hard. A solid is hard. A solid does not change its shape. A solid does not change its shape. Liquid. A liquid is not hard. A liquid is not hard. A liquid can change its shape to fit into different containers. A liquid can change its shape to fit into different containers. A liquid can flow. A liquid can flow. Here are some examples of liquid. You can see a glass of milk. Milk is liquid, juice, and the water. All these things are liquid. Gas. A gas is not hard. A gas is not hard. A gas can change its shape. A gas can change its shape, and a gas can move from place to place. A gas can move from place to place. When we blow a balloon, it goes up to the sky, and you can see when we boil the water and continuing heating the water, the smoke comes out from the container, so it becomes the gas. This smoke is called gas, and this gas move in the air, and that's why the gas can move from place to place. Kinds of matter. You can see in this picture, here is a mug and liquid is in it, a chocolate liquid is in it, and this is a smoke. You can see the mug is solid. The mug cannot change its shape, so it is solid. And the chocolate is liquid, and the chocolate is liquid. And a liquid can change its shape to fit into any container, as the liquid fit in this mug. And the gas vapor, जब इसमें से धुआं जो निकल रहा है वो क्या है, गैस वेपर है. After that you can see some more examples of solid. You can see pliers is solid. Helicopter is also solid. Is these things can change their shapes? No, these all the things cannot change their shapes. Jackhammer, false teeth, submarine, clock, hammer, bulldozer, forklifter, saw. These all things are the examples of solid. Now these are the examples of liquid. The first one is cocoa, bathtub water, fresh water, melted snow, sink water, soup, juice, milk, river water, and beach water. These all things are the examples of liquid, and they can flow. You can see the all things can flow. Now we have some examples of gas. Fire, candle fire, steam from cocoa, dragon's flame, gas smell, lava, steam from soup, clouds, evaporation, and steam from grill. जी, अब हमारे पास एक्टिविटीज़ हैं. सब पेज नंबर 32 पर. जस्ट टिक अंडर येस और नो. नंबर ए है अ सॉलिड इज हार्ड. इट इज राइट, so we have to tick in the yes box. A liquid is hard, it's false, so you have to tick in the no box. A gas is hard, you have to tick in the no box. A solid can flow, it's also false, so you have to tick in the column no. A liquid can flow, it's true, so you have to tick in the column of yes. A gas can move from place to place, true. A gas can move from place to place, so you have to take in the yes column. A solid has a fixed shape, right? Take in the yes column. A liquid has a fixed shape, it's wrong, so take in the column no. The question number 2, these both questions should be done in the book. Write these items under the correct heading. There are some words we have to classify them in solid, liquid and gas. Milk is liquid, so you have to write the milk in liquid. Table is solid and hard, so you have to write table in solid box. Air, gas. Air should be written in the column of gas. Smoke is also gas. Water is liquid, so you have to write water in the liquid column. Stone, it's hard, so you have to write the stone in solid column. Steam is gas, so you have to write steam in gas. Brick is solid, so you have to write brick in solid. Mango juice, it's a liquid, so you have to write mango juice in the liquid box. Okay students, your today's unit number 4 has been done now. Okay, take care of yourself and Allah Hafiz.